talking about, but I don't know if he's really met somebody who likes to fix stuff like I do. He also is keeping a lot of things that are completely useless. They're 10 by 10 area, and we're not even done with it, and this is what you have. We have a whole house to do. That's my point.
Women in Venezuela. Posts on X, formerly Twitter, started going viral of women sharing their experiences of her story and asked to be referred to as Amanda. She said that 7 years ago, for 15% off your order. That's podcast15 for 15% off. Elevate your cooking experience with Headley and Bennett.
I couldn't think of a better way of feeling more comfortable than the feeling of, you know, your mother cradling you, telling you it's going to be fine.